Hello everybody, our topic for today is all about differences between linear inequalities in two variables and linear equation in two variables. So for our objective, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to differentiate between a linear inequality and linear equation in two variables. So let's start. Let's compare the two sets of mathematical statements. We have set A, which consists of y equals 2x plus 1, 3x plus 4y equals 15, 10 minus 5y equals 7x, y equals 6x plus 12, and 9y minus 8 equals 4x. In set B, we have y is greater than 2x plus 1, 3x plus 4y is less than 15, 10 minus 5y is greater than or equals to 7x, y is less than or equal to 6x plus 12, and 9y minus 8 is less than 4x. So what's the difference? Let's check the answer. For set A, so it consists of mathematical statements which have an equal sign. So they are all examples of linear equations in two variables. While set B, it consists of mathematical statements which have a greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to sign. So they are all examples of linear inequalities in two variables. Equations and inequalities are two of the most commonly used terms in mathematics. So when say an equation, it is a mathematical sentence which shows that two quantities have the same or equal values. It uses the equal sign to show the relationship. On the other hand, an inequality is a mathematical sentence which shows that two quantities may have different or unequal values. It uses the symbol greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, and not equal to show this relationship. So similarities between linear equation and linear inequality in two variables. So both have two variables x and y of degree 1. So for examples, we have y equals x plus 5, y equals 2x minus 6, y is less than x plus 5, and y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 6. Y equals x squared plus 7, y equals x cubed minus 5, y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 7, and y is less than or equal to x cubed minus 5. So these are not examples of linear inequalities and linear equations in two variables since their exponent is in degree of 2 and 3. So both can be graphed on the Cartesian plane and their solutions can be expressed as an order pair x and y. So differences between linear equation and linear inequality in two variables. So in terms of symbol use, linear equation in two variables use an equal symbol, while linear inequality in two variables use an inequality symbol, greater than or equal, and greater than or equal. So examples. For linear equations in two variables, we have y equals 3x, y equals 2x minus 3, y equals negative 3x minus 1, y equals 5x plus 5, and y equals negative x minus 5. For linear inequalities in two variables, we have y is less than or equal to x plus 4, y is greater than or equal to 2x plus 2, y is less than 5x minus 5, y is greater than 3x plus 2, and y is greater than or equals to 8x. So in terms of standard form, a linear equation in two variables has ax plus by equals c, while linear inequality in two variables have ax plus by is greater than c, ax plus by is less than c, ax plus by is greater than or equals to c, and ax plus by is less than or equals to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not equal to 0. For examples, for linear equations in two variables, we have x plus 7y equals 49, x minus 2y equals 3, x plus y equals 5, and 2x minus 5y equals 30. For linear inequalities in two variables, we have 2x plus y is less than negative 4, 3x minus 5y is less than or equals to negative 5, 7x plus 2y is greater than 10, and 7x minus 5y is greater than or equals to negative 20. In terms of graph, a linear equation in two variables show a line, while linear inequalities in two variables have a half plane, a shaded region that sometimes include or does not include the line. So it depends on the inequality symbol. So examples. For a linear equation in two variables, so its graph shown a line. For linear inequalities in two variables, so its graph shown a half plane. So for solution, a linear equation in two variables has all points x and y on the line, while linear inequality in two variables, all points x and y in the shaded area only for greater than and less than. All points x and y in the shaded area and the line for greater than or equal and less than or equal. So let's try. Tell which of the following is a linear inequality in two variables. Explain your answer. So determine whether the following is a linear inequality in two variables or linear equation in two variables. And for your assignment, create your own at least 5 of linear inequalities in two variables and linear equation in two variables. So that's all for today. Thank you.